What's up, guys? Welcome to That Creative Life. It's me, James Mathis, and man, it has been a minute since I've gotten to say that. Life has been crazy between work, family, the baby, everything. It's just been so much, but lots of cool stuff going on, lots of weird stuff that's gone on. So I'm just going to play catch up. Hope you enjoyed the little musical intro. Let's talk about some things. Number one, the baby is almost 8 months old. She is growing like a weed. It is crazy how different things are almost on a day-to-day basis. And so getting to watch her grow has taken up so much of my time in such a positive way. And I've loved every second of it. But it's not left a lot of time for other things. And we're going to get to that in a second. But let's move on. I've started playing at a new church, and I absolutely love our new church. I'm playing guitar, sometimes bass, sometimes drums. I'm supposed to have played piano, but there's been sickness and stuff that's prevented. But anyways, playing a lot of instruments. It's been a lot of fun. Even played some outside gigs with the church. So really cool stuff going on there. Lots of music. Hopefully videos can start coming more. And you'll find out why it'll be possible here in a second. Okay, and next, the big thing. I lost my job. For the first time in my life, I have lost a job. It is a super weird sensation, but it has given me the chance to do some freelance work. And I've had a decent amount come in all at once. Kind of hoping it stays that way because that would be awesome. But it's allowed me the freedom to have some more time to start making a few videos again, start playing music again, actually start recording some music, which is part of the reason I've been a little busy. Because I know that I had said at the beginning of the year that I was going to put out the presets and I was going to put out the beginner guides. And I still plan on doing that. It's just been pushed back a little bit. But lots of fun stuff coming. So I need y'all to be patient with me. I'm working on it, I promise. And I'm hoping that I'm back for a while this time. I feel like every time I start to get excited again, something happens and then I get distracted. That's the big thing, is I get distracted so easily and I kind of lose track of what I'm trying to do. But right now, I feel like I'm at a place where I can actually devote some time to this. So that's going to be one of my goals over the next little bit. What you can expect is some more photo videos, more music videos, and something new that has not been on the channel, but I want to try to do some disc golf videos, because I'm trying to lose some of this. I've got a little one I've got to try to keep up with. Being fat ain't gonna fly. So I'm gonna also take y'all along on my weight loss journey as I'm going through building a freelancing business via music and photography and cinematography, trying to lose weight, balancing a family, and doing this thing called YouTube. So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope you'll stick around, because I've got a lot of cool stuff in mind that I want to get done. We're going to see if I can actually stick to somewhat of a plan for right now. But hope you enjoyed the little music thing. I hope you enjoyed the cinematography behind it. Hope you enjoyed getting to hear kind of what's going on. I got some cool stuff coming. There will be another video this week, I'm hoping, either music or camera related. If you have a preference, let me know down below, because I did a poll and it was literally split 50-50. So let me know. I love you guys. Don't forget to live that creative life. I'll see you next time. Bye.